Hello everybody, how are you doing today? So let's quickly review what we did so far in our online shopping website. So I'll run the website. So this is our command prompt and we can run the website by the command py manage.py run server. Okay, server is running and I go to home page. So this is my home page. It is a very simple HTML page. We also defined two URLs, that is signup.py and the other URL that we have defined. So this is sign up page. Another URL is login page. So this is saying this is login page. So this is all what we have done so far. A lot of work to be done, guys. Let's see how our website will look like. So this is our shopping website video. We have given the name as a shopping page. We have added some categories at the top like mobile and electronics, men, women. If I click, you can see some subcategories for each section, as well as there is a search button. There is a cursor which is running and showing some latest products, plus there are some cards below. Nothing will happen if I click on this. So this is just a static website, plus I have also added one login page and a sign up page. So I really hope to complete till this point in today's session. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now we are on the front page or home page of our website. If you observe carefully, in any page we go for our website, we need to see there will be a constant header section, then there will be the content section below, and at the end bottom there is a footer section. So first we have to define the header section and the footer section. If I open the website in Chrome, there are two useful plugins you can install. One is a toggle pesticide and the other is a HTML3 generator. If you install this toggle pesticide, you will be able to see the various sections, and by pressing the control key at the bottom you can see the names of classes that we have used, HTML classes or Bootstrap classes that we have used. So what you can see here is we have used navbar and various things from the Bootstrap. These are the labels, this is the input sections, etc. So this is really useful. We will be using the Bootstrap. So getbootstrap.com is the official website of the Bootstrap, and you will find a lot of information on this website, as well as you can find many tons of material to understand the Bootstrap. So basically Bootstrap is a kind of a toolkit or a library which is used for front-end development. Now by using Bootstrap and HTML CSS, we will develop our home page. So as we saw, we need navbar, or we will search here navbar. So we are in navbar and we want to see how the drop down works. Better example. So this is something we want. We want a navbar. There is a search button. That's also we need. Okay. So far so good. Now what we will do, we'll copy this entire code. Let me see little below. I will copy this code and paste it here. Header section of the web page, but we'll add this code in the body of our website. I have also installed one package here, Atom Beautify, so that kind of rearranges your code, do the proper alignment of the code. Now we cannot use the Bootstrap just like that. We have to include the CDN. CDN means the Content Delivery Network. CDN links here, so that we will be able to use these navbar Bootstrap classes. And you can find that in the same getbootstrap.com website if you go to introduction section, or you can simply type the content delivery network CDN, so it will take you there directly. This CDN links, so let me copy it in our website. We'll put it in our header section of our HTML page. Plus we also need to add this script tag, so copy it and paste in just below that. Let's rearrange. Yeah, so now it is rearranged properly, and we have not done much. We have simply copy paste the code from the Get Bootstrap website. So far that's good. Let's check if it is working. Let's restart our server and try to run the web page. Okay, so this is the link. Copy it, paste it here. Voila! So we can see the same exact navbar that we saw already, right? Yeah, I guess this one. Yes, something similar. So we are able to see. Great. This means the Bootstrap is working. We have simply copy paste the code, and this all top navbar we are able to get. Now we have to write some code to arrange. We don't want home button. We also don't want this navbar scroll. Here we need the name of our website, shopping website. Here we need some different categories like men, women, mobile and electronics, home appliances, etc. We need search button, but not at this end. We need login and sign up buttons here. Plus at the bottom we need the footer section. Now to work on a footer section, we need to again go to the Get Bootstrap website and search for the footer. Well, I've found the footer in the getbootstrap.com, and I have added a footer section here. Inside that I have added one div and the anchor tabs, and I will show you how it looks like when I run the server. So this is my website, I'm running the server, and let's refresh the page. Yeah, so the footer section appears like this. If I go to pesticide and check by pressing the control, you can see below the footer division appears. Now this is header section and this is footer, and in between we will add our online website, shopping website content. In the middle section here I am planning to add the carousel. So let's go to getbootstrap.com website and find the carousel example here. Now between the header and the footer I want to add the carousel, which will highlight our latest products. And you can see here the code, sample code is given. I will simply copy and paste the code in the under a section. So here my footer starts, and this is section, and inside section I add the code copied from the getbootstrap.com. Here it is, product. So I need to provide here in the source the image information for our product and some more details or description of the product. So that I will do eventually. Let's now run and see how it looks like. Yeah, do you see? So there is no image appearing, but the carousel is there and it is working. Images appearing from right hand side to the left hand side. So I just now added h1 tags under each division or under each slide. So let's see how it looks like. Let's stop the server and run again. Let me refresh the page. Yeah, so the images are changing, h1 tags are changing. So the cursor is working. Now it will take huge time if I code everything here. So let me add some code and come back after some time. Till that time, guys, let's have a break. So I have come back with some modification in the code. So in the index.html or our home page, between the header and the footer, I added a carousel section. Well, I did some modification. If instead of using the primary or basic carousel, I use the carousel with indicator. So in this website, you can see there are various type of carousel with controls with indicator. So I use this one, and I copy paste this code now. So as you can see, there is a carousel, then there are 3 buttons which represent the slides, and then there are details. Okay, plus there are 2 arrow buttons, next and previous and next. So same code I have kept here. I added the section, and inside that a carousel. There's 5 slides added, and for each slide there is a 1 button added. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each slide will have the image and some product information, and inside each carousel I have added a tag which explain what category that product is, plus image and some details about the product. So this code I have added, but which load static, and then to load the static folder. So there is no static folder yet. I will add, and this static folder will hold all our style information, CSS, images, etc., all the resources which we will require. So I have added already the static folder. Inside that there will be a image folder, and then the actual image of our product will appear here, and some description of the product. In the same way, I have added, so as I mentioned here above, I have added 5 different type of products: books, mobiles, women and men clothing, plus there is a watch and accessories category. So this data is added, and then below there are 2 buttons, one for previous. So by using this we can go to previous slide. So it is the same code that is from the get bootstrap.com website. Okay, so basically it's the same carousel section, only with indicator it is used. Now let's see how it looks like. So since there is no static folder, no images will appear yet. We'll add it shortly. So let me run the website. So this is our header, this is footer, and in between this is carousel. Now these are 5 slides. Our product category information appears here, and even using these buttons you can go to next product. If I don't do anything, it will move after each around, I think, 5 seconds. Now let's go back to the code and add the images, so it will give a little better better appearance. So let me stop the server. We'll add a folder static. Inside that, now there are two folders, CSS and images. Now let me grab some images and add inside images. Now you can see I have added images for the products here. So let's see, let's restart server, clean our cache, and let us see if we are able to see the in the carousel. So let me clean the cache. Okay, not yet. So let's see, there must be something wrong. Okay, I understood what's wrong and why images were not appearing. So basically there was an entry missing in the settings.py. So here we need to mention where is our static directory. So I added this statement, static directory is after base directory, and this is our base directory. So now it should work. Let me run the server again. And go to home page, and now you can see the product details and with images. Now it little feels like a online shopping website, yet I know a lot of work needs to be done. Okay, so guys, this video is getting too big. I feel like I will stop here and I will make another next video where we will fix the navbar. We'll do some CSS work. We'll make little bit coloring. We'll give some proper arrangements and colors to the navbar and in between sections as well as footers. And if time permits, I will also add two other pages for sign up and the login. So sorry guys, I knew that there was a lot of work involved, but I don't want to rush through. I want to make sure that you are understanding how we are developing the website. But now we got our home page working. It's already started looking like a online shopping website, and we will make it much like a shopping website in the next video. So thanks for the patience guys, and thanks for your time. See you next time.